In this video, I am going to show you how to transfer money from Paysera to Payoneer. Ensure your Paysera account is fully verified and you have access to your Paysera IBAN. Log into your Payoneer account and navigate to the Receive section. Choose Global Payment Service to find the receiving account details that Payoneer provides to you. In your Paysera account, go to the section where you can make a transfer. Select New Transfer. And now you'll need to add your Payoneer account's details here. Use the details provided by Payoneer's Global Payment Service, such as the bank name, account number, and routing number. Once you've added your Payoneer account as beneficiary in Paysera, initiate a transfer. Enter the amount you wish to transfer and ensure you select the correct currency to avoid unnecessary conversion fees. Review the transfer details, including any potential fees Paysera may charge for the international transfer. If the transfer funds are in the different currency than you need, in your Payoneer account, use Payoneer's currency conversion service to convert the funds to your desired currency. Just beware of the fees, exchange rates, and transfer limits, and of course always ensure you're operating in a secure environment to prevent any fraud or theft. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.